Imagine a book that has been helping people build better relationships for nearly a century. Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People is exactly that, a timeless guide to mastering the art of communication and connection. This book isn't about manipulation, it's all about genuine human connection. Carnegie shares simple yet powerful principles to improve your relationships at work, in personal life, and even with strangers. The advice is practical and easy to apply. Things like remembering someone's name, listening actively, and showing appreciation might sound basic, but Carnegie explains why they are so impactful. These small changes can completely transform how people respond to you. So, what I love most is how Carnegie focuses on empathy, putting yourself in others' shoes. It's not about winning arguments, but about understanding and building trust. For me, How to Win Friends and Influence People is more than a book, it's a toolkit for creating meaningful connections. It's no wonder this book has stood the test of time. If you want to improve your relationships and communication skills, you can grab your copy through the link in the description, or you can even listen to it as an audiobook for free with Amazon Audible trial. It's a game changer for personal and professional growth. So, have you read this book? Or if you read this, then what are the most valuable lessons you have learned from it? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.